our stainless steel top freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 72 3/4 inches, a depth of 24 3/4 inches, and height with caster wheels, we have 41 inches tall. Minus the wheels, we have 36 inches tall. Three section doors, and keys will be provided for each lock. Two shelves for each section, with a total of 6 shelves that will be included with this unit. Each shelf will measure 18 inches in depth, by 18 3/4 inches in length. Interior dimensions, we have 60 inches in length, 18.5 inches in depth, by 31 inches in height. Located on the right column is the ETL certification. Coming to the left will be the temperature control, power and light switch. This freezer uses a 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.